This is Mitsubishi Pajero 2017. I'm going to program the remote. Okay, so see, this is not working. So what you have to do, you have to put the key into the in. Okay, no need to turn, just put the key, use the OBD, just put the OBD here and press 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now just press the any button. Okay, that's it, just press the unlock button. That's it. So this is the programming. I just take out the OBD. It's like less than 1 minute programming. Take out the OBD, take out the key, open the door, close, and check the remote. That's it. It's very easy to program the remote Mitsubishi Pajero. It's like 2006 to 2017-18 model. All you can do it just using the OBD plug. Is very easy to do. Also I show you, just put the key onto the ignition and put the OBD, press 6 times, and when you hear the sound of the center lock, just press any button of the remote. That's it. Thank you guys. Thank you.